I'm seeing this post float around the internet, and a lot of people are talking about it, how this family is not paying any tax or avoiding to pay their taxes because of the strategies they use. So as a CPA, I'm going to go over these and see if they're actually legal. The first one they talk about is hiring your child. Yes, you can do this, but they have to be of age. You have to have enough profit in the business to pay them. You also have to run payroll and give them a W-2. So you make sure you're following all these steps, which a lot of people don't, and they just hire their 1-year-old child and then they write it off. It doesn't work like that. And they talk about this one, which is the Augusta rule. Yes, you can do this. You have to rent out your home for 14 days or less to your business, and whatever the business pays is tax-free income, but it has to be a fair market value that you have to charge for the home, and you also have to have the home available for the business. So think about that too. They talk about Section 179. I feel like this is just a buzzword people throw around. You're not actually saving taxes or avoiding taxes. You're accelerating expense. You still have to pay out of pocket to purchase the item. They talk about expense acceleration. This is also not avoiding taxes, you're just delaying it. Instead of writing off something or showing the income as earned this year, you're showing it the following year. So it's just kind of a timing issue, not necessarily avoiding taxes. They talk about cost segregation. This is a legitimate one. This is actually really good if you have real estate, and if you can take advantage of this, there's huge tax savings. Foreign earned income. Now, this is actually a real exemption, meaning that if you live outside the country pretty much the whole year, there are some exceptions, you get to pay no tax on the income earned offshore. So it's pretty high. It's about around $130,000 you can earn outside of the U.S. and not pay any tax. So this is a real avoidance strategy. Then the last one here, they talk about travel. Yes, but not everyone has this lifestyle where they can travel all the time, because it has to be a purpose for the travel. You have to have documentation. Who did you meet? What was the meeting for? So yes, some of these tax strategies are real tax strategies where you can avoid paying tax. Other are just deferring the tax, paying at a different time, accelerating the expense. So it's a mix of all. A lot going on. It's not as simple as this person makes it look.